Welcome to Please Check Out channel. Today, as you can see, I have 3 take and play sets, and I put all of them together to make a huge tower.
We already tried with Thomas, Percy, and James. Now we will try with Diesel. It's from the first one, this tower. From this tower.
Yeah, Diesel comes with this tower.
Let's see how far Diesel can go.
Okay, Diesel got stuck here.
Let's see how far Diesel can go. I hope he doesn't fail. There we go.
No, Diesel is having hard time.
Okay, Thomas comes with the green one, Percy comes with the red tower, and Diesel comes with the yellow one.
Let's see how far Percy can go. Oops.
Good.
Percy went far, but Percy didn't land on the wheels.
I know.
Let's see how far.
How over in James can go.
Oh, James did pretty awesome. He didn't fall. He landed on the wheels. And it will be now turn for Thomas.
This one?
Now is the time for Thomas number tank engine, and it's going to be interesting to see how far Thomas can go. Whoa, we made a huge mistake. We should have taken James off. That's how we could say how far Thomas will go. So now I put James just where he stopped. Let's see how far Thomas can go. The reason why you can see two Percy is because one is old version and another one is new version. And here I am trying with the shiny Take and Play Diecast Metal newly redesigned Thomas. Whoa, Thomas is first. You can see Thomas went the furthest. He wanted to even go more. But since it was kind of high, he had to come back. But still, Thomas stood first, James second, and third is our Percy. Diesel got stuck here, remember? The reason Percy is third is because Percy could not land on the wheels and Percy fell here. But Percy still is third because Percy came all the way down. Percy didn't get stuck like Diesel here. Alright, thank you viewers, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment below. How did you guys like it? And thumbs up for Thomas, because Thomas is the one who stood first here, who became first. And how did you guys like this playset? That you can stack together and make a huge tower. And you can play with your diecast metal Take and Play Thomas and Friends toy trains.